This is how to effectively illustrate year-over-year sales variance on your data table. First, you're going to find the difference between the 2 years like this. And after that, apply the same formula for the rest of the rows by double-clicking the fill handle like this. Now, to insert a data bar on your cell, highlight your rows like this. Go to Conditional Formatting, New Rule. You're going to select Format all cells based on their values, and the format style you're going to change this to data bar. And on this solid fill, we're going to color this as green, and all the positive bars will be shown as green. Now to show your negative value, click on Negative Value and Axis Settings, and then select Fill Color. And you can select any color that you want for your negative bar. I'm going to leave mine as red and click on OK, and OK one more time, and there you have it.
Job done.
That's it.